Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best auto glass cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best auto glass cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner. This is highly popular in the USA. If you are in a problem with the water spot in the car glass, it is the best option for you. Generally, the water spots are developed from a buildup of calcium and mineral. This auto glass cleaner is very effective to break up the bonds of calcium and mineral buildup. When you want to clean very toughest, etched-in, water spot, and stains from your glass surface, this cleaner can be the ideal one for you. Because it is designed to remove them from the glass surface very effectively. This glass cleaner is very powerful. It is the combination of an acid gel and abrasives for cutting that makes it powerful enough to clean the toughest weathered glass surface. It is one of the safest one. It removes severe hard water spots, calcium and mineral buildup, heavy lime scale, salt spray deposit, rust deposit, alkali, mold and mildew, paint over spray without doing any harm to the glass. It has come to you as a gel product. So, you can use it with ease. You can use it not only on your car glass but also trucks, trailers, boats, and aircraft glass surfaces. It is also useful for cleaning glass showers doors, house windows, porcelain sinks, tubs, glass top stoves, and ceramic tiles. If you want a strong glass cleaner, you can keep it to your choice list. Moving on at number 4. We have the Mother's Vision Glass+Surface Cleaner. Like Meguiar's, Mother's is a well-respected brand in the automotive car care industry. Its Vision Glass+Surface Cleaner is offered in a 24-ounce bottle, featuring an ammonia-free solution that effectively cleans glass, mirrors, plastic, chrome, window tint, gauges, GPS screens, smartphones, tablets, touchscreens, and other displays. It's tough on grime, dirt, oily film, and fingerprints, leaving behind a streak-free shine. This product comes in a trigger spray bottle for easy use. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Signature Series Glass Cleaner. Available in a 4, 16, and 128 fluid-ounce bottles as Chemical Guys Signature Series Glass Cleaner. This is a professional-grade formula that is non-toxic, and ammonia-free, resulting in streak-free glass, windows, and mirrors. It's designed to easily break down dirt, dust, debris, bugs, fingerprints, and road grime in seconds. It's safe to use on tinted glass as well as cleaning household and industrial windows. Chemical Guys says this unique formula uses advanced cleaners which also repel dirt and dust by reducing static cling. At number 2, we have the Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. When it comes to car, few brands are as respected and recognizable as Meguiar's. The company offers its Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner, featuring a unique and anti-hazing formula which spreads and wipes off quickly with superior cleaning ability. This product is particularly effective against bugs, tree sap, vinyl fog, road grime, smoker's film, and bird droppings. This product is safe for use on all tinted windows and its chemical formula contains a lubricant for an easy slide effect with no residue. It can also serve as a dust repellent, helping keep your glass surfaces cleaner and longer. And finally at number 1, we have the Stoner Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner. This premium automotive glass cleaner is the most popular item on Amazon under Glass Care products. The Stoner Invisible Glass is available with a variety of options including an EZ grip bottle and packaged with microfiber cloths. You can also purchase multiple 19-ounce cans at one time to save a little bit of money. This product offers a no-drip, fine mist spray that sticks to glass and won't run, waste product, or end up on your dash when you use it. It's formulated to dissolve and remove the thin layer of film that builds up on the interior of your windshields. It's ideal for removing bug splats, smoke haze, bird droppings, salt spray, and road grime, and is safe for indoor and outdoor use. Stoner Invisible Glass is ammonia-free and safe to use on tinted windows. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.